Hello friends, welcome to my channel. It's me Maddie, and today I would like to say about how to get EDP lottery from USA. Okay, US government would be providing us in EDP lottery the entrance to go there, to settle there, green card, everything. So before starting this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's me Maddie. So at the first point, tips to get EDP lottery, you need to go into right time, you know. So right time is when. So you may feel curious. So right time would be the beginning of the EDP lottery whenever it starts. Okay. So most of the people, maximum number of people, they have gotten the EDP lottery before during the beginning of the EDP lottery opened up. At that time they just filled up their form. Those maximum people are getting actually the EDP form, so that would be the perfect and right time. So the second point, to get EDP lottery, you just need to show your hand to the astrologer. If you are lucky, then you will definitely get EDP lottery from US government. Otherwise it's not possible to get EDP lottery. So you need to go to astrologer house and show your hand, then he will figure out whether you are going abroad or not. That would be decided by him. Okay, so third point, to get EDP lottery, you need to be patient. You need to keep on applying for the EDP lottery, and then only you are able to get EDP lottery. Many people are still applying for EDP lottery, but they haven't succeeded yet to get the EDP lottery, diversity lottery. So you just need to keep on applying, keep on filling the form. Even I have got rejected for 11 times, so it is too frustrating for me that I haven't got the EDP lottery form still now, because USA is my dream country. So the fourth point, guys, so to get EDP lottery, you need to be familiar with the US person. Like, you need to go US embassy, you need to discuss with the various ambassador over there, then you can consult how to go there, or something like you need to participate in event so that you can get EDP lottery. But it's only minimum chances. Okay, it's not the full chances, and it's not the 100% possibility that I'm saying right now. So it may create a chances for you to go USA through EDP lottery. So you need to consult and be attached with the US person in embassy. Point, it all depends upon your face, how you look. Whenever you are going to filling up the form in any consultancy or any institution, then you need to make your photograph very clearly, very cleanly, so that they can impress seeing your picture. Okay, so you need to manage your photograph very smartly and neatly. Then that would also can create to grab US EDP lottery. So guys, this much for today. If you wanna get EDP lottery, then you just need to follow these 5 tips. You must know, you must understand these 5 tips, and you will definitely get EDP lottery from US government. Thank you, bye bye, take care, good luck.